Did you know that a plant used in India for centuries might hold the key to feeling calmer and sharper? This plant, revered in ancient texts and still cherished today, is known as ashwagandha. Its name translates to smell of the horse, which refers to its unique smell and its ability to impart the strength and vitality of a stallion. Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera, is gaining popularity worldwide for its amazing health benefits. From reducing stress and anxiety to boosting brain function and energy levels, this adaptogenic herb is making waves in the wellness community. People are turning to ashwagandha as a natural alternative to synthetic medications, seeking a holistic approach to health. This powerful herb has been used for over 3,000 years in Ayurvedic medicine, a holistic healing system from India. Ayurveda, which means the science of life, emphasizes balance in the body, mind, and spirit. Ashwagandha plays a crucial role in this system, helping to balance the body's stress response and support overall vitality. Ancient Indian healers would often prescribe ashwagandha to rejuvenate the body and mind, enhance longevity, and improve overall health. Today, modern science is starting to confirm what ancient healers knew all along. Ashwagandha can truly transform your well-being. Researchers have found that ashwagandha can lower cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress, and improve symptoms of anxiety and depression. It has also been shown to enhance brain function, including memory and cognitive abilities. Moreover, ashwagandha's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to its ability to support overall health and prevent disease. As more people seek natural and effective ways to improve their health, ashwagandha stands out as a remarkable remedy that bridges the wisdom of the past with the needs of the present. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, boost your energy, or enhance your mental clarity, ashwagandha offers a time-tested solution for modern times. Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera, is a small shrub with yellow flowers native to India, the Middle East, and parts of Africa. It's called an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress and stay balanced. The name ashwagandha comes from Sanskrit and translates to smell of horse, referring to the herb's unique aroma and its traditional use in boosting strength and vitality. Feeling stressed out? In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the constant demands of work, family, and life in general. Stress can take a toll on your mental and physical health, leaving you feeling drained and anxious. But what if there was a natural way to help manage that stress and bring a sense of calm back into your life? Enter ashwagandha, an ancient herb that has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. This powerful adaptogen is known for its ability to help the body adapt to stress and restore balance. Ashwagandha might be your new best friend when it comes to managing stress and promoting overall well-being. Studies show that ashwagandha can significantly reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, in your body. Cortisol is released in response to stress and can lead to a variety of health issues if levels remain high over time. By lowering cortisol levels, ashwagandha helps to mitigate the negative effects of stress on your body and mind. One study found that people who took ashwagandha daily for 60 days experienced a 28% reduction in cortisol levels compared to those who took a placebo. This significant decrease in cortisol levels suggests that ashwagandha can be an effective natural remedy for stress management. This means ashwagandha can help you feel calmer, more relaxed, and better equipped to handle life's challenges. Imagine starting your day with a sense of tranquility, knowing that you have a natural ally in your corner to help you navigate the ups and downs of life. Whether you're dealing with work-related stress, personal challenges, or just the everyday hustle and bustle, ashwagandha can provide the support you need to maintain your peace of mind. Incorporating ashwagandha into your daily routine is simple. You can find it in various forms, such as capsules, powders, and teas. Adding a cup of ashwagandha tea to your evening ritual or taking a supplement in the morning can make a noticeable difference in how you feel throughout the day. With consistent use, you'll likely find that you're better able to manage stress and maintain a positive outlook. So, why not give ashwagandha a try? Embrace the calming benefits of this remarkable herb and take a step towards a more balanced and serene life. With ashwagandha by your side, you can face each day with renewed energy and a sense of calm, ready to take on whatever comes your way. Ashwagandha isn't just good for stress, it's also a brain booster. Research suggests that ashwagandha can improve cognitive function, including memory, attention, and information processing speed. A study published in the Journal of Dietary Supplements showed that ashwagandha improved reaction time and task performance in healthy adults. So, if you're looking for a natural way to sharpen your mind, ashwagandha might be the answer. Muscles and might. Ashwagandha for athletic performance. Athletes, take note. Whether you're a professional athlete, a weekend warrior, or someone who just enjoys staying fit, the benefits of ashwagandha could be a game changer for you. This ancient herb, rooted in Ayurvedic medicine, has been used for centuries to enhance physical and mental well-being. But how exactly can it help you in your athletic pursuits? Let's dive deeper. Ashwagandha may also help you achieve peak performance. Imagine being able to push through your limits, achieving new personal bests, and feeling more energized during your workouts. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's backed by science. Ashwagandha has adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress and recover more efficiently. This can be particularly beneficial for athletes who often put their bodies through intense physical stress. Studies have shown that ashwagandha can increase muscle mass and strength, improve endurance, and reduce exercise-induced inflammation. For instance, a study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that participants who took ashwagandha experienced significant improvements in their muscle strength and size. This is because ashwagandha helps increase the production of testosterone, a hormone crucial for muscle growth and recovery. One study found that men who took ashwagandha daily for 8 weeks had significant gains in muscle strength and size compared to those who took a placebo. The participants who consumed ashwagandha showed a remarkable increase in their bench press and leg extension exercises. This suggests that incorporating ashwagandha into your daily routine could lead to noticeable improvements in your physical performance. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, ashwagandha could be the supplement you need to take your performance to the next level. It's not just about building muscle, it's about enhancing your overall fitness and well-being. Ashwagandha can help reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone that can hinder your progress and lead to fatigue. Lower cortisol levels mean better recovery and less muscle breakdown. Ashwagandha could give you a competitive edge. Imagine having the stamina to run that extra mile, the strength to lift that heavier weight, and the mental clarity to stay focused on your goals. With its ability to boost energy levels, improve endurance, and enhance recovery, ashwagandha is a powerful ally for any athlete. So, why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your athletic performance? Remember, the journey to peak performance is a marathon, not a sprint, and ashwagandha could be the key to unlocking your full potential. Beyond the body, ashwagandha's potential in other areas. The benefits of ashwagandha extend beyond stress relief, brain power, and athletic performance. Emerging research suggests that ashwagandha may also play a role in improving sleep quality, boosting immunity, and even supporting healthy blood sugar levels. While more research is needed in these areas, the potential of ashwagandha to improve overall health and well-being is truly exciting. Safety first. Potential side effects and precautions. While generally safe for most people, ashwagandha can cause side effects in some individuals. The most common side effects are mild and temporary, such as upset stomach, diarrhea, and drowsiness. It's important to start with a low dose and gradually increase it as needed to assess your tolerance. Not for everyone. Who should avoid ashwagandha? Ashwagandha is not suitable for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid ashwagandha as it may have hormone-like effects. People with certain medical conditions, such as autoimmune disorders, thyroid problems, or low blood pressure, should consult their doctor before taking ashwagandha. Finding the right form. Ashwagandha. Supplements and dosage. Ashwagandha is available in various forms, including capsules, powders, and liquid extracts. The appropriate dosage varies depending on the individual and the form of ashwagandha used. It's best to start with a low dose and gradually increase it as needed, following the instructions on the product label or as directed by your healthcare provider. The future of wellness. Ashwagandha's promising path. As research continues to uncover the remarkable benefits of ashwagandha, this ancient herb is poised to become a staple in modern wellness routines. From managing stress and enhancing brain function to improving athletic performance and supporting overall health, ashwagandha offers a natural and holistic approach to feeling your best. The bottom line. Embracing ashwagandha's potential. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogen with a long history of use in traditional medicine. Modern science is now confirming its numerous health benefits, including reducing stress, improving cognitive function, enhancing athletic performance, and potentially supporting various other aspects of health and well-being. A word of caution: seek professional guidance. While ashwagandha is generally safe for most people, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before taking any new supplement, including ashwagandha. They can help determine if ashwagandha is right for you, recommend the appropriate dosage, and monitor for any potential side effects or interactions with other medications you may be taking.